what we have here is the lizard treadmill. And we figure if we put the crickets there, he'll lose a lot more weight on his running practice here.
He was doing it earlier on his own. We're now just encouraging it.
Needs a little exercise.
Oh, you almost got up there. He knows we're
What are you
watching.
guys laughing at?
We might get in trouble for animal cruelty.
Quit laughing at me.
He says, "You know I can't get up there. Give me my crickets." We better feed him some crickets. I'm sorry, Trozzy. He's very upset.
Oh, we made
it!
Score!
Okay, I think he deserves a few crickets. What do you think?